guys, you want to know what is taking over for the grass and killing off the grass? These little flowers. As you can see, they're taking over the whole place. And there's patches everywhere. So next year, if this have to give off any seeds, do you know what's going to happen? It will spread everywhere, guys. So I just want to show you, they are beautiful, but do we really want this all over the field that kids play? And I will show you another one that's taking up the whole place again. Okay, everyone, this is a part 2 of what I just showed you before. These are all seeds for next year, and as you can see, all the way over there, everywhere, they're taking up the whole place. If I don't be careful, it's take over my lawn as well. And when I said it's killing off the grass, it really is. So when these dry down, it's actually look like that. So these are seeds for next year. It wasn't so plentiful last year, but this year it's a different story. And can you imagine having this everywhere? Some kids are allergic, even big people. So guys, I'm gonna take you out to my garden. So look at these scallion, not scallion, thyme, and I have some carrot coming up. But you know, for some reason this year, look at my garden. There's just so much rain though. So I think because of the rain, it doesn't come up properly like we want this year. And these are kale. So we planted so much kale this year because we said, okay, we need to get some juicing going on. But we give away so much kale already. And this is corn right here. As you can see, all these kale are beautiful, no bugs whatsoever. And over here is potatoes. Every year we always have so much potatoes, but this year we got the potatoes too late, so they would not. This is basil right here. They would not. We would not get any eyes on them for them to plant, but we did get some. So some peas. Now peas didn't come up this year. I don't know if it's because of the rain. This is callaloo, guys. If you don't know callaloo, this is also I think it's cucumber. I don't think it's squash. I think it's cucumber. I'm gonna go in here and see what it is. Oh, and that's lettuce that we passed just now. These are small tomatoes. Well, it's early July, so I mean, It's not doing so bad, but I'm just surprised that we actually have the dirt showing. Usually we don't. So yes, I think it's cucumber. I have to show you this flowers that's budding right here in my garden. And we have the raspberry. Got so much raspberry from this tree also. We just pick them every evening. We pick some and just freeze them until we're ready for smoothies or something like that. Because raspberry is gonna get very expensive in store after the season is over. Produce so much every day. We pick every single day.